Two brothers were tragically passed away after being struck by a speeding motorcycle near the Mashauli Bongaon School area while they were returning home from the market. The accident occurred when a group of youths on motorcycles traveling at a high speed from Mashauli towards 82 Mile lost control. The deceased have been identified as Pranoy and Sribas, both residents of the area. According to local sources, the two brothers were pedestrians returning home after selling vegetables at the 82 Mile market when they became victims of the horrific crash. The two injured pedestrians were initially rushed to the 82 Mile hospital. Given the seriousness of their injuries, they were subsequently referred to the Khorang district hospital where doctors pronounced them dead. The police have launched an investigation. Local reports indicate that the motorcycle involved in the crash fled the scene immediately after the accident and is currently missing. Furthermore, allegations suggest the offending motorcycle was being driven without valid documents or registration. Residents of the area have expressed strong concern over frequent incidents of rash driving. Reported by Biplov from Chini, Khorang.